This creature has no teeth, no voice, and barely sees, but it eats 30,000 insects a day. Meet the giant anteater, a quiet specialist built for one job. Its claws slice into anthills like blades. Then its tongue, longer than your forearm, shoots out 160 times a minute, sweeping ants in like a vacuum. No chewing, no biting, just pure precision. It's nature's bug hunting machine. But here's the truth. This rare animal is slowly disappearing from its forests. Only a few thousand remain. Did you know it couldn't bite even if it wanted to? Comment Bug Hunter. If this surprised you, stay curious and stay wise.